Hey everybody, this is Tammy, the Fibonacci Princess from the Fibonacci Room here at Simpler Trading. I was just wanting to give you a quick update on Lulu because it is having a pullback. We have the initial setup from the high of September 2nd to the low of the 5th of March. And that initial setup that we didn't quite get to was 255.68 to 264.37. But close enough. We have bounced. Target off of that swing is 435.42 and 480.62. We have failed off resistance at 348 to 350. Of course, we got more resistance at 369 to 371. So if you are bullish, I do want you to be a cautious bull, because if that resistance is more important, then your target on the downside from that swing is actually going to be 248.14. Okay, but if not, you can use any of these pullback zones as long as you get a trigger to trade Lulu bullish. We are below the 50. But the 5 and the 13 are still on a buy, and we are above the 200, not far from, or actually, I'm sorry, we are below the 200. We are about to hit the 50, and the 5 and the 13 are on a buy. So you've got 3 of the moving averages on your side. So that's good. So setup zones are 321.45 to 321.59. 304.87 to 306.83 and 294.95 to 295.03. You can use those targets that I've already got for you up here to trade these zones. If you're in our room and you want me to run a new target once one of these bounces, I can do that, of course. Or you can use this setup zone and use it against some of the resistance that's on the way up at 348 to 350 and 369 to about 72 there. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great rest of the day. Be careful out there, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Without Simpler Trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me